Nick, we're gonna patrol the barbed wire fence, okay?
There's only 2 ways across that river.
Yep.
Hey, they're already heading out to the road. Spread out. They're all up there. They're all up there.
Any?
Oh yeah, one's there. Christian. No, don't come here. Get out of here.
I can't go anywhere, Nick. There's nowhere to go. I'll get the road. That's going well.
Hit! Hit!
You out? Hit! Hit! Good shot!
Hold on. Yeah, I know. There's one behind him. No? Are you? Oh. What's up? Matt, get him. There's one more back there. Don't know anything on my right.
Nick, there's, I count 3, 4 maybe hostiles left. They're moving left.
They're all hostile.
Ah, shit.
Not maybe.
I'm gonna move because there's a hornet's nest right here.
Good idea.
Nick, they're gonna get through. Well, they're gonna get cut off with a parking lot, so. Yeah. Here, get on this side of the lawn. Stay here, I'm moving it with Nick. Stay here. Hello. I see you. Stop, he's right in front of me. Right in front of me. Behind this tall tree, he's gonna shoot. Say gun hit. Are you hit or is it a gun hit? I'll take that as a hit. Hey, watch my left. Stay behind that tree, sir. That should hit. This is fun! We'll be here for another 2 years! Who wants to make a move? Just watch that left side, man. I'm about to run out of ammunition. I tell you what, I'm gonna make a move, and if I can't kill him, he'll think that no one's here, and then you kill him. Sound good?
Okay.
Alright.
I'll take it.
Oh, we don't have to do that.
Oh, that was a bad idea. It'll help, it'd be nice, Daniel. Don't come in here. Contact. Along the tree line. Matt, I see you. He's dead. Move up. Cautiously. You guys would be over here. Good shooting. This is the left flag. And shot it from somewhere. No, but I don't know where the heck they are. I only saw one. I can't see anything in there. I know there's more than one, but I don't know where he is. Crappy time to run out of ammo.
Hey, why don't you move up to like some tree, like that tree right there? Let's not get all in the same tree. All right, engage, engage. You know what? Yes. They're out, they're out, they're out, they're out, they're out. Hey, watch that. Oh, that's it. I'm gonna radio, keep an eye out. Hey Dan, this is Matt. We are currently engaging the enemy. We are pretty much have pushed them all the way back. We just shot about 3 guys at the front. We're pretty much we're about 100 feet from the barbed wire over on the right side. Hang on, wait, I gotta go. I got more contacts coming in.